Is it possible that a person's success is not solely determined by their earnings, but rather by their consistent actions throughout time? Many people wait for the ideal time, income, or knowledge before they start. However, the truth is simple. Those who start early and stay consistent often end up far ahead, even if they begin tiny. Investing is not limited to specialists or those with large amounts of money. Investing is essentially placing your money into something that has the potential to increase over time. It requires patience, discipline, and a realization that wealth does not accumulate overnight. Beginners frequently make the error of believing that they must first invest a substantial sum of money. In actuality, starting small is not only sufficient, it is frequently the most prudent way to begin. It allows you to learn, make adjustments, and gain confidence without undue pressure. When you invest, you essentially exchange current consumption for future growth. That entails opting to postpone immediate investment in favor of long-term growth. This perspective distinguishes people who achieve financial stability from those who remain trapped in cycles of earning and spending without purpose. Consider someone who decides to begin investing with a small sum. At first, the process seems gradual. There is no significant difference, no immediate reward, and no evident breakthrough. It can feel as if nothing is happening. Because of this, many people give up too soon. They demand immediate results and become dissatisfied when they do not receive them. However, the person in this narrative takes a different path. They continue to invest consistently. Month after month, they give what they can. They resist the desire to withdraw money for frivolous expenses. Even when things appear to be moving slowly, they remain focused. Something gradually shifts. The modest contributions begin to amass. The returns begin to compound themselves. What originally seems trivial begins to gain traction. Growth becomes more visible as a result of consistent dedication rather than an abrupt change. Years later, the findings reveal a different scenario, not because they had special access or ideal timing, but because they persisted when it was simple to give up. If you're watching this and are serious about improving your financial future, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. This is where you'll learn practical investing ideas, easy financial techniques, and step-by-step instructions to help you make smarter money decisions. Subscribing to this community will allow you to progress, stay constant in your learning, and continue to improve your comprehension. The fundamental lesson in investing is not intricacy, but constancy. You are not required to forecast the market or pursue the ideal opportunity. What counts most is your capacity to remain dedicated over time. Beginners frequently focus on choosing the best investment, but the true foundation is developing the habit of investing on a regular basis. Whether the markets are rising or decreasing, staying disciplined is essential for maintaining your progress. Another crucial principle is patience. Investing pays those who think in the long run. Short-term swings can be distracting, but they should not drive your actions. Growth frequently occurs quietly, and those who remain patient benefit the most from it. Risk is also present in the process. Every investment involves some level of uncertainty, but understanding what you're investing in, diversifying your investments, and avoiding emotional reactions can help you manage risk more successfully. Investing is more than simply money. It's also about mindset. It's about prioritizing discipline over impulsivity, consistency over chance, and long-term thought over quick reflexes. You do not have to wait for things to be perfect before you start. You simply need to take the initial step and remain committed to learning and growing along the way. People who generate long-term riches are not always those who started with the most money. Rather, they are the ones who stayed the longest. Start where you are, maintain consistency, keep learning, and as you gain knowledge and discipline, your financial future begins to take shape. Remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next step-by-step course on building wealth.